All right, welcome back to our Freedom PS21 service series. So we're just going ahead and we're putting the side panel back on. We're going to show you the process of how that goes back on and it comes off the same way. So Nate, why don't we fly that over here real quick. So on the very bottom, we have these two tabs right here, and we have these two spaces at the bottom of the door. So we want to make sure that we line that up. Just like that, just like that. Once we have those little ears in those grooves, we can lift the panel all the way up. We have one screw right here that's going to go in, so that's a small Allen screw that goes in. That is the first one that we are going to put in. We don't want to secure it down all the way at first. We just want to start getting those threads in place. Again, these are all metric, so have your metric Allen wrench set handy. So Nate's got that threaded in. I'm just going to pivot over here to the back side. So we have 2 bolts that hold the panel in on the back side that do have to be pulled all the way out. So Nate's just going to line up the holes right there for those. We just pop those in. So when we're removing this panel, obviously this red side panel can slide right out, but I find that if we remove the entire panel, we get this additional room with the bordering steel there. So I do recommend when you're doing maintenance or service that we take off this whole panel. Again, we would start first with these 2 screws, and then we get that screw on the top and it pulls right off. So Nate's just got this one partially threaded in there. He's gonna grab the bottom one real quick, and then he's gonna just go ahead and snug everything up nice and tight. Good. Snug it up, and we'll snug up the top one. And the other side panel works the exact same way. So, just a basic tutorial here of how that comes off. As you can see, I do have the top of the unit off. We will show you that real quick next as we finish it up, but same thing, we have 4 Allen screws to take off the top of this. So, I have the top set right over there, Nate, if you just want to grab that real quick. And we'll just cover that in this same video. So I know we don't have the other panel on the other side yet, but we're just going to prop this up there and show you. It's actually very simple to do, so doesn't weigh too much. Nate's just placing it right on here. We're just going to make sure that these holes right here are going to line up. Yep, just like that. Yep, and then we have, again, same thing here. We have 4 Allen bolts, so 1 in each corner. But anytime that we need to remove the side panels from the unit, we absolutely need to take off the top. Same thing if you're going to replace these side color panels in here. Top needs to come off to do that. Again, pretty straightforward. Just want to make sure the stove is nice and cool and shut down. And yeah, these particular screws kind of have a flush head, so they'll lay down nice and flush within that groove. Just like that. So again, we've got 1 in each corner, and that is going to be how the top comes off. And yeah, how those side panels work on the unit. So you see Nate doing, he's just going kitty corners. He's going diagonal on this. It's always a good move just to make sure that we're able to get everything lined up nice. Yeah. There we go. That's a better look. But pretty straightforward. So again, just the basics here on the Freedom PS21 pellet stove in this series of service videos. If there's something that we didn't cover, something that you have a question on, something you need assistance with, just leave us a comment down below. Always here. Always happy to help. Thanks so much for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you soon.